How to uncover profitable products using the low to high price filter. Want an easy way to spot profitable online arbitrage deals without spending hours? Here's a quick trick using the low to high price filter. When you're on a retail site like Target, Walmart, CVS, or wherever, go to the clearance or sale section and sort the products by price low to high. Click apply. This brings up the cheapest items first, which is perfect for manual sourcing or flipping. You'll often find underpriced items that other resellers overlook. Small accessories, travel size items, or seasonal markdowns. Plug those into a tool like Seller Amp or check on Amazon directly to see if there's a room for profit after fees. This works great when you're just starting out or have a smaller budget. Bonus tip, combine this with a cashback site or a browser extension like RevROI to stack your savings. If you're loving simple tips like this and want to learn more strategies that actually work, the OA Challenge walks you through them step by step. It's built for beginners and helps you source smarter, not harder. Ready to level up your sourcing game? Join the OA Challenge through the link in the description below.